There is this constant question, what is home warranty? What is home insurance? For some reason, the first time home buyers seem to get both of them mixed up. I wanted to make this video to clarify it for once and all. Home insurance is something that can help you prevent any hazards that happen in the house. Maybe there is a fire, there is a flood, or there is a robbery. So all of those accidents are covered by the home insurance. While home warranty is something wherein it can cover all the mechanical components of the house, be it air conditioning, be it plumbing, be it the appliances. Home warranty and home insurance, two separate ones. Home insurance is required by the lender if you have a mortgage on the property, while home warranty is not a requirement. It's just something that you're buying it to protect yourself in case there is a big expense down the road. Let me share you a story with what happened. There was a client of mine who bought a home paying cash, and then he acted like he knew everything about buying, and he acted very overconfident with everything, and then he did not end up taking home insurance, but instead he bought home warranty. One day when we had a storm, the entire water flooded his house. Then he called me and said, hey, I wanted to file a claim in the home warranty. I said, what home warranty? You need to have home insurance and not home warranty for this. So he was totally agnostic about it, and that costed a lot of money. So if you are a first-time home buyer, be sure to study and understand what is home warranty, what is home insurance. You always want to have home insurance, and home warranty is optional. Leave a comment or reach out to me if you have more questions on home insurance versus home warranty.